what we want to do is we want to create collections. So we have to click on collections, and automatically this is what we're going to get. Now you can delete this or you can edit this particular homepage collection that we found here. For this tutorial, we're basically going to be deleting this collection over here. Again, just to repeat what I said earlier on, collections are just categories for your products or the products that you're going to put on your Shopify store. So by creating collections or creating categories, you're making it easier for your potential customers to navigate the store and get to see the products in a very convenient and easy way, if you may. So you can group your products into any type of category. It does not really matter. For example, for this tutorial, we're going to be a little bit lazy. We're going to basically focus on creating only just three collections, which will be clothing, shoes or sneakers, and then we'll create accessories as well. That's the only thing that we're going to be doing, but you can go further for your store by creating collections such as seasonal collections, like your winter collection or your spring collection or your summer collection. You can even go a little bit further and create collections by grouping products that are the same. For example, a sunglasses collection or a trousers collection or a jacket collection or a t-shirt collection or just socks collection, a watch collection, and everything else in between, depending on what you want to create with your store. So after deleting the home page or that home collection, this is what we're basically going to get, and we're basically going to click on create collection. This is where it's going to take us. So let's start by creating, let's say, sneaker collection. So obviously you have to add an image to this sneakers collection. So all the images that I'm adding here are images that I created myself using Canva, right? So sneakers, and then we're gonna need a description. So this is the description. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your collection type is on manual, which means that we will be adding products to this collection manually. And then we'll go ahead and we're going to click on save. So again, guys, just to remind you that we imported products for this tutorial, right? As much as we did look at how to add products manually onto our online store, we did add products using also importing to this online store. So what we're going to do is, if we have already added products onto this particular store or onto our Shopify, what we can do is then we can come to here, this product section here. So we're going to click on browse, and all our products are basically going to appear here. And then we can just simply click on the products that we want to add onto this collection. As again, you can see that this is a sneaker collection. So we're just going to go ahead and click on all the products that we basically want to add to this collection. So again, this is a ready-made store that I'm creating for someone. So obviously I've added over 100 plus products. So that's why it takes time to load the products sometimes. And by the way, if you are looking for me to create a store for you, it costs 3,900 Rand. It's delivered within 2 hours, and you get 100% money back guarantee if you don't make your money back, the money that you paid me, in 6 to 8 weeks after we finish with the 4-week course. So if you're interested in that, you can contact me. I'll put my numbers on the screen, or you could visit my website to purchase, which is www.sinalochongola.co.za. I've added about 55 sneakers. I'm not sure. But after you're done, you're basically going to come to click on this add, and it's basically going to add all of those products like this. It's going to add all of those products on this collection. You don't have to click on save because it's automatically saved for you. And we are done with the sneaker collection. As you can see that it has 55 products within this. So we're going to create another collection, an accessories collection. Again, all the images that I'm adding are images that I created myself. Accessories. This is going to be our accessories collection. Again, we're going to make sure that the collection type is manual, meaning that we want to add products to this collection manually. Again, we're going to click on save, and then we're going to do the same thing that we did for our sneakers collection, which is add all the accessories onto this collection. So basically, again, when you're done, this is what you're going to get. And then we are done with this collection too. We've added about 26 accessories. Let's add the third and final collection now, which will be our clothing collection for this tutorial. You're going to add an image. Don't forget that the descriptions, guys, you can get ChatGPT or something similar to that to create descriptions for your store if you are unable to do it on your own. So again, for the clothing collection, after adding the description, we're going to make sure that it is on manual, and then we're basically going to click on save. And then after that, after the collection is saved, we're going to click to add products manually onto our collection. So we are done with adding products to our clothing collection, and this is basically how it's gonna look, right? So after clicking that, we go back, and then this is how our collections are basically gonna look like. So we have added products onto our store manually. We have also added products by importing them. I showed you guys that earlier on in this tutorial. And then now we just finish adding those same products into collections or categorizing them. So that's basically all for adding products and collections onto our Shopify store.